Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold price has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $22.07 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Yesterday I have clearly told you that chances are very high it will move further upside because there is a clear pattern forming, U pattern is forming, and it was moving in a zone, this particular zone, for quite some time. Okay, as soon as this zone breakout happens, we have seen the range has moved upside, and yes, after that we have seen the price has gone to a level of triple two $3. That is where, which I have already explained, it can move further high. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining of that level, of further upside movement we can see, because today we have seen there is an event is coming, so chances can be high. If the dollar is strengthened, we can see a downfall, but if it weaks, then probability of going further upside we can see. Looking at this particular chart, chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, so how the price of gold was moving previously, if you look at this particular trend, there are 4-5 patterns are forming. This particular pattern, similar patterns are forming. This is an 8 years pattern, this is 2 years, 8 months and 5 months pattern. Okay, similar pattern we have seen looking at this particular chart here. Okay, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see till the time it is not moving below a level of 2146. So if the price started falling below 2146, then only we will see it will fall. Okay, otherwise, or if there is a higher chance that it has to go below this particular level slow, that is a level of 2156, then only a probability moving further low we can see. Otherwise, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, two probabilities we can see looking at this particular chart, that this is the low of this particular high, that means top of this previous candle, 2193. So it can touch this particular level and it can bounce back, what we have seen now. Okay, and chances can be higher towards an upside because a bounce back has already come. Okay, so now if you look at the dollar index, as I've already explained you in other videos, the dollar index is tried for 2 months, there's continuously moving upside. If you go on a weekly wise chart, you will understand how the volatility we have seen. Okay, now if you look at this dollar index, it is trying for this particular pattern. So if the price started falling below a level of 103, then we will see that there is this particular pattern will support and the dollar index move further down, so which is on a higher chances that dollar price can go further upside. Sorry, the gold price can move further upside if the dollar index move further down. But if the price started sustaining, that means if the price of dollar index started sustaining above a level of $104 or above a level of $103.8, then we can see the dollar price can go further upside, and then the gold price can move further low. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there are two similar patterns are forming. So if the price fall below a level of 103, a further fall we can see, but if the price started sustaining 104, a further high we can see for dollar index. Now looking at this particular gold price, what you can see, let's suppose, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Let's see if the price sustain this level, because it has already bounced back towards a level of 2197. Okay, and it has moved to a level of again $22.06. Okay, if the price sustain this level, it can go again towards a level of 22.19, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $22.3. As soon as the price started sustaining above that level, it can cross above a level of $22.50, and a probability of touching a level of 2300 also we can see. So keep that in mind, keep this as a stop loss, and keep trailing by 10 or $20 so that you can make a good profit. And it probability of touching 24 also we can see if the price keep moving upside. Okay, so a further high we can see, so keep trailing by 10 or $20 so that your profit can be saved. But as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. Okay, if you look at this particular trend also, there is a lot of volatility we have seen. So always try to set your SL, it will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do in order to sustain for a longer period of time, and trailing SL is important so that your profit can be, you can take home. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $2196, which has it already bounced back. But if it moves below this level, chances are high it can go towards a level of 2189 if the price fall below a level of 2196. If the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2155, and from there a level of around 2143. If the price started falling below a level of 2143, a further fall we can see, then we can see it will go further down, and then there is a strong support we can see towards a level of 2092. After 2143, there is directly at a level of 2092, so chances can be high of making good profit at this level. So if started falling below that particular level, a level of 2085 we can see, and if that level move further down, a further towards a level of 2074 we can see. Suppose if the price fall below 2074, then we can see a level of 2063, and then if the price fall below that particular level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2056. Keep that in mind. There will be good volatility today we can see, so chances can we have the price fall 2056, then we will see a level of 2031, and then this particular pattern will support towards downside, so we will see it will go towards 2017, and then a further fall we can see below a level of $22,000. Okay, if the price fall below 2000, I'll make another video explaining it. So hope you like the video, and if you like